Making a quick buck. What does it mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard before, quick buck. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Quick buck is a combination of two words, quick and buck. Quick. This word often means fast or in a short amount of time. Buck. In this context, buck is a slang term for a dollar, the currency used in countries like the United States. So, when combined, quick buck refers to making money in a very short amount of time. But there's a bit more to it than just that. While the phrase, quick buck, might seem positive because everyone wants to earn money quickly, it sometimes has a negative connotation. Here's why. Easy, but not always ethical. Sometimes, people use the phrase to talk about ways to make money that might not be entirely honest or ethical. Short-term focus. It suggests a focus on short-term gains rather than long-term, sustainable income. Risk. Going for a quick buck might involve risks. It's like taking shortcuts. They might be faster, but they're not always safer or better. To make sure you understand how to use the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. He's always looking for ways to make a quick buck without putting in any real effort. 2. That investment scheme promises a quick buck, but I think it's too risky. 3. She sold her old toys at a garage sale for a quick buck. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, but the underlying theme is about making money quickly. And there we have it. Now you know what quick buck means and how to use it. Remember, while it's great to earn money, it's essential to think about the long-term implications and the ethics behind your choices. We hope this video was informative. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your English vocabulary.